How they got this number here?
Nice.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So my lighting is kind of crazy and I'm still in my work clothes because I kind of wanted to show you guys, I wanted to do like an unboxing or an initial review of my back to school / birthday hair. I ordered some hair for school and for my birthday, and I kind of just wanted to show it to you guys. The company that I ordered this hair from is called Arabella Hair. I'll put the name on the screen and have all their information down below. If you're interested in, purchasing this hair. So it came via FedEx, and this is a box that it came in. I was a little disappointed because the box was kind of like jacked. Like, even when I just opened the package, the box was a little jacked, which kind of sucks, but whatever. The packaging itself is cool. It's just a little pink box that says Arabella, Bloom Your Beauty. Cute. And get out of here. And then you open the box, and it comes a wig cap. Oh, it's actually two. It's a deluxe wig cap, so there's two in here. I probably won't end up using these because I'm so sorry about the lighting, y'all. I really just wanted to film this because y'all know that I can't ever do an unboxing or anything. Like, I'd be too excited and I gotta open stuff right then and there. So this is me trying, okay? But anyway, I probably won't use these because they're extremely chocolate, and unfortunately, I'm not. So yeah, but it did come with two wig caps, and it also comes with a card that says Human Hair Wigs Maintenance Tips, and on the back it just has their Facebook, their Instagram, and their YouTube, which will all be linked down below. And then there's a couple of tips on just how to care for the hair, which is cool. Thank you for that. So I guess right off the bat I should tell you guys I got Brazilian deep wave hair. This is my first time ever having Brazilian deep wave hair. This is my first time ever getting it this long, but I am about 5'7.5", and because it's curly hair tends to be shorter, so I wanted it to be long and full. So that's why I got the inches I got. And I also got 4 bundles and a closure. I got a 22-inch closure, a 22-inch bundle, a 24-inch bundle, and then 2 26-inch bundles as well. So these are all of the bundles. They come individually packaged with like in this little plastic, and they all have like a little gold tie over them, and it tells you, this one don't, but okay, these tell me the length. So this one is a 26, this one is a 24, this one is also a 26. This one doesn't have the length on it, but it does say deep wave, so I'm just going to assume that this one is the 22. And I'm actually going to do a longer bundle. I should probably do an ASMR with all this noise, right? Oh, LOL, it has a rubber band. I didn't see that. Don't talk about me. Okay, so this is what the 26-inch bundle is looking like, and it does have a net on it. How they got this net on here? Did they loop it? Oh, that's different. Look at here, Arabella. Okay, look, we just gonna break the neck because I ain't got time. I ain't got the time or the patience. Ain't got either. Nah, not either. Anyways, this is what she is looking like. Ooh. Soft. It's really, really soft, y'all. Like, extremely soft. And I'm running my hands through it. I'm getting some shedding. I don't know. Look, y'all can't see that piece of hair. I did get some shedding when I was running my hand through it. But yeah, this is pretty. I love this texture. Like, it's gonna be really, really big. This looks kind of short to me though, but it's supposed to be a 26. It might be a 26. I don't know. But like, this is how long it's obviously not gonna be up here. It's gonna be in the back. But this is like how long it's probably gonna look in my head. But okay, Arabella. Yeah, I'm feeling this. Love this curl pattern. I love how soft it is. The ends are soft too, but they're like a little, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you gotta work your way through the ends. Like, at the top, my fingers just kind of run through, and then I get to the ends and I have to, like, you know, do all of this. But I mean, that's to be expected. It's curly hair. I have curly hair. We all know my natural hair, we can't even run my hands through it. So let me not talk about nobody else curly hair. But this is really nice. Okay, 26. Let's look at the 24. This is this one. What was it doing? Yeah, I really don't know how they did. Okay, see, this netting is easier. The other one, I don't know what they did, but it was confusing. So this one is the 24-inch. I didn't show you guys the weft. I'm sorry. This is about the weft size of a 26-inch, and this is about the weft size of a 24. Obviously, you can see that the weft size of the 26 is way, way smaller, but that's to be expected. The longer the hair, the smaller the wefts, which is why I got 4 bundles, because I figured that it would be kind of thin if I, you know, just stuck with a 26, a 24, a 22, and a 22-inch closure. So I went ahead and got that extra bundle, and I'll probably fit all 4 of them onto my ginormous head. So bad, like, all of this hair is just extremely, extremely soft. Like, even this hair, the ends of this one are a little easier for me to comb through. But yeah, all of this hair is gorgeous. Like, this one looks so bomb. Y'all, my 21st birthday fits in this hair. It's up. And the last one we are gonna look at, well, not the last one, but I guess the last bundle is the 22-inch. I always forget to stand rubber band. Before y'all come with me, my lighting, I already told y'all why my lighting is trash. And I'm also recording on my phone instead of my camera because I didn't have time to set all that stuff up. I really just wanted to get this filmed because I was super excited about this hair. And I'm not even gonna hold y'all. If I had to set all that stuff up and do the lighting, it wouldn't have been an initial review. I would have had already ran my hands through it 33 times, co-washed it and all. Y'all know I don't got patience. Okay, this one is the 22 stiff wear. Y'all, this hair is so beautiful. Yeah, the shorter it gets, the easier the ends are to like comb through. But this is stunning. And this is the weft size of the 22. See if y'all can see that. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, Arabella, I see you, I see you. I like this. This might be the one. All right, you guys. So the last thing that I wanted to show y'all was the closure. I did get a 22-inch free part closure, and this is what she looks like. She also came in a little baggie. Get her out the baggie. She got some thread on her. But yeah, she's soft too, just as soft as the rest of the hair. I'm actually getting a little, like, I ran my fingers through and I feel like you can actually see this. But I got quite a bit of shedding out of her. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. She's shedding just a little more than I would like her to. But okay. The hair is really soft. I love this curl pattern. Like, I've never had deep wave hair before. I've had curly hair from Diamond Dynasty Virgin Hair Company, and I really, really like that hair. Still have it, still wear it to this day. Bought it in like high school. But I've never actually had like deep wave hair before, so this will be new for me. Yeah. The closure, I don't know how I feel about her. She's kind of already like getting a little tangled and shedding quite a bit, which is not a good sign to me. Like, I just pulled that out. Okay, so yeah, that's a little not great, but we'll work with it. It's just a lace closure. I don't know if the knots have already been bleached. No, they definitely haven't. They haven't been bleached yet, so I'll probably bleach them. But this, I just kind of wanted to show you guys the construction of it. It kind of has like a natural middle part, but I can basically part it however I want it. And yeah, it's cool. Like I said, there's just a little more shedding than I would like to be coming out of her. A little more tangling than I would like, especially since she is going to be sitting on the top of my head. I don't know how I feel about that. Like, look, all this shedding. I don't know what's going on. So, I don't know. We'll see. We're going to try her. But, you know, if she start acting crazy, that's a wrap. Because I definitely wasn't having any of these problems with the actual hair itself. Like the bundles. Just the closure. Just the closure is shedding, kind of tingling. Like, whoa. No, I don't know what's really happening. Like, Arabella. What? That's insane. Okay. I don't really like that at all. But yeah. Alright, you guys. So I basically just really wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. Show you the hair. I'm gonna co-wash it and get it installed before my birthday. And I will come back and show you guys that. And if you're really interested, I will come back maybe in like November, October, and do an updated review for you, seeing as I'll have worn the hair longer and have a little bit more say on it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next time, peace.